And I know that that must be very difficult for you, being that you've never had issues with walking or any movement of your body before, and this car accident was very unexpected. Obviously, you didn't plan to get into it, so your life has been drastically changed so far, but we're going to be working to get you back to exactly how you were before, or as close as we possibly can in the fastest amount of time. So there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be coming and working with you, because it's really important to start getting you back into your groove of learning how to walk and using your brain again, because we want to make sure that we are using your body and the muscles in it so they don't get weak or even more tired. And we want to make sure that we're exercising your brain, because there's been significant damage to the frontal lobe, so we want to make sure that we're making it stronger so it can get back to how it was. So do you have any questions so far?
Will I be able to have kids?
I do not think that your injuries have caused you not to be able to have children, but I'm not exactly sure, so I can have one of the doctors who are going to come in be able to talk to you more about that. But from what I've heard, I think that you didn't have any injuries that would stop that from happening. So some of the doctors are going to come in, and physical therapists are going to work with you on continuing with the facial movement and arm movement, and then also really working on the lower body movement to get you to be able to walk again. And I know that's going to be very difficult, but I'm also going to be here working with you, and we can discuss how you're feeling, and we're going to do some emotional therapy, and I'm going to work on speech and language therapy and social therapy with you. So we're all going to be here supporting you and making sure that you're making really great progress as fast as we can, and keeping you in a positive and happy, comfortable setting. So then we're also going to do some cognitive behavior therapy, which all of these therapies together will be really good rehabilitation for your brain, and then including with the physical therapy with your body, all of that will get you back on track. So I'm going to have the doctors come in shortly to come and explain about how the physical therapy is going to work, and then they can also touch on the pregnancy aspect as well. Do you have any other concerns or anything else that you would like me to go through with you right now?
Will I ever be able to walk again?
Yes, we're definitely sure that you're going to be able to walk again. It's just going to take some time. Your brain and your legs just have to be able to reconnect to get everything working back the way it should and start working together as a team again. And you're going to have to relearn how to do the motions, but yes, you are going to be able to walk again. So you do not have to worry about that. It's going to take some time, but it will happen. Okay, well, thank you so much, Teresa, for meeting with me today. I will be in later today with the doctors, and I will keep coming and visiting you.
That sounds
Okay, bye. I hope you have a great rest of the afternoon. Those were our 3 videos for children, adolescents, and adults about who are facing traumatic brain injuries themselves or have family members facing traumatic brain injuries.